Thokozani emakhosini, Thokozani bokhokho. Oh, Thokozani mamkhulu, Thokozani everyone that is watching this video. Sanibonani, my name is Robin Malupi. Hey, excuse me. If you want to connect with me, it's Nkosazana Robin on TikTok, Nkosazana Robin on Instagram. Let's be friends. So Lana, I have a lotion called Bhekamina ngedwa. So nino sisters, nino brothers. La akunakuthi bathi wena ungbrother kumbe ungsister, sonke siyasebenzisa. Sonke siyasebenzisa. So yeah, nginiphathele this lotion is from Indlovu. From Indlovu products. Guys, remember I always say kuthini, please make sure ukuthi uya cleanser kuqala Nkosi yami. Make sure ukuthi uya cleanser. You don't know what to cleanse, to use to cleanse. I have bath salts that can help you. WhatsApp me. I have bath salts. Oh, check my videos down below. I have so many videos that I've uploaded that you can watch. I mean, yeah, there are things there that I've mentioned that you can use to cleanse yourself. Ngani, Thokozani. So we are cleanser. I prefer, that's in the prefer slum as flow. Like flow next. Okay, I would prefer, yeah, I would prefer to cleanser for 3 days, for 7 days. Ngani, or cleanser for 3 days, for 7 days. Bese sokawuqala ke usebenzise this lotion. Bese sokawuqala usebenzise this lotion. So go ufuna uyimixa na something you just want to use it alone. You want to use it alone. So nayi lenye lenganisita. Yeah. Nayi lenye lenganisita. So the lotion then it's a lotion, man. You use it every day. Oh, I need to use it Monday or Tuesday or no, it's a lotion. Use it every day. Don't know 6-7 days. Don't know what's in ihlalela mtimbeni. Don't know what's in bheke wena wedwana. So nayi guys, nayi itholakala kuphi? Ungayithola kuma chemistry. Yeah. Ungayithola online as well. You know, ngayithola online. If you cannot find it no WhatsApp ngitakotela yona when you pay me ngani. Simple. So nayi ladies, men, gentlemen, naku unesichitho awuthandzeki awubonakali, even nemuntu wakho akakuboni nje, wena nje awubonakali. Ngena lana. Thokozani. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thokozani. Bye.